Hey, Mark here at Bill Wright's. I'm here at the boat ramp at Claremore Lake for one main reason. Secondary reasons, I'm going to get to fish while I'm doing it. I brought my boat here. This is Sunday afternoon. I just got back from Texas on Thursday. Wednesday. I was able to pick it up from the shop. It sounded like a bad bearing going out in it, and it would stop pumping water if I got over 6 to 10 miles an hour. What they figured out was that when the shop had last time tried to run the pipe that runs from the impeller up to the motor, didn't get installed right. And it was kind of grabbing the some grommet that it has to slide into, I guess, to seal it. Well, it was grabbing that, and it was kind of hung, being blocked by that. So it ends up that it was, once you got any amount of speed going or anything, I guess it was losing suction, and it would stop pumping. And then I think at some point it would get a little hot, and then the bearing would start making noise. And so at this point, the only thing I do know is that is that they fixed the problem with it pumping water. So I'm betting it's going to pump water. The question is there still a bearing problem? So I didn't notice that I had a bearing problem with it last time I took it out. I took it out and just rode it slow, and I did get it up some speed, and it was losing its pumping, but I didn't hear the bearing. So I'm hoping that the bearing's fine, and just need to get this one little issue fixed. Well, so far so good. It's pumping water like it's supposed to. I don't hear any bearing problems, and I just came up, all the way pretty much up the lake, so I'm pretty happy. Fish too. Nice little 3-pounder. But you got me a nice little 3-pounder there, finally. Yeah. Back in. Thanks, buddy. We may be too far away, but the little boy's got him about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deer out there in his backyard. About in here. That's pretty cool.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.